So what's for breakfast?
Well, it's green garlic eggs with some toast. That's her favorite.
What's your favorite?
Whatever is her favorite, I think has become my favorite now.
Ooh. And that's within a span of?
I think I've been seeing her for almost 2 years. So a span of 2 years.
Saransh,
Yeah.
come here. Come here. What is this?
Arey, I would have kept it later,
This
na?
is on the bed every day.
Arey, bhai, I would have kept it later.
Keep it.
I'll keep it.
So where did you guys meet?
We met about 2.5 years ago, I think, at my previous company. My first ever job in India.
What was he doing in your office?
He did a pop-up one afternoon with his butter chicken, and I was vegan then, and he made me a special vegan meal. And that's how we met. He brought me rajma chawal.
Was he flirty?
Not initially. After a while, yes, he did. He'd always want to hang out and, like make excuses and be like, oh, okay, what are you doing? We live close by. So he's like, let's hang out. Yeah.
I've kept that all.
Okay.
So how was it the first time?
Did she answer that? No? Yeah, I'll tell you. The first time was that I actually started stalking her on Instagram. I really liked her and I wanted to become friends with her. That was my obvious sort of first reaction. Skittles!
Skittles, come.
Chalo, eating time. Come.
I can smell something burning.
It's the toast.
So how important is
Very
food in a relationship?
Very important.
Rumi.
I think Saransh and I bond over food a lot. Every time we travel, we're always looking for the best places to eat. We're thinking when we wake up, we're thinking about what's for breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's always a hot topic of conversation with us.
So what's the most romantic thing that you've done for her?
I think I took her, one of the first proper date nights was when I took her for a meteor shower. Which was in this village called Vangani. And in fact, I made a little poster for our night rendezvous. It's called the Meteor Shower. And we call it Just Wow Productions because her common sort of thing is just wow. So I think it's the most special date night I've ever had in my life. Somewhere else, you come here, you're so naughty. Come here. What is it?
अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि आपके कोई फूड में साहब हुए हैं?
I think both of us went to an Indian restaurant where we were invited for a dinner and both of us came back.
Oh my god.
And we had this horrible food
shit.
poisoning episode. I think she always curses me for every time I invite her for dinners with me now. It's a little weird. Our food relationship is only nice and loving when I cook, of course, because she does not cook, does not make a toast, does not boil water, does not do anything in the kitchen.
I eat it. I take care of everything else in the house. I'm picking up his towels. I have a man-child for a boyfriend. So what else do I do? I'm always like cleaning up after him. That's my job.
What's the longest you've stayed apart?
I think about 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Where we've just been away. And I think Saransh has forgotten to water these plants. Anyway.
What's the memory of a mind-blowing culinary holiday?
We just did Vietnam. We went to Vietnam recently and that was amazing. That was really, really nice. We ate a lot of local food. We tried a lot of cool things. Ate a lot of banzio. Ate a lot of eggs and avocados. And that was one of my favorites. Oh wow, that looks good.
Thank you.
Hey, that's a smart one.
Yes.
Is it for the camera or do you do it every day?
No, this I have to do every day for this relationship to work.
Are you serious?
He does all the work. I just sit back and enjoy.
No, that's not true. I'll give her some credit on keeping the house clean. I'm apparently very messy and but then I cook. That's my USP.
So, what do you lean on each other for?
I think I lean on Divya for a lot of social media advice because she's a digital marketer and I take a lot of digital gyan from her. And apart from that, of course, lean on her for a lot of life decisions. relationships, family. In fact, she's advised me a lot on being close to my family, speaking more to my parents. Otherwise, I used to be sort of a boxed person, but now I'm very open.
So what's the food that you yearn for, Saransh?
Sindhi kadi and matar wale chawal. I think the way my mom makes it, that's the food that I really, really, really love.
So who is more jealous here?
I would say her. She would be more jealous
What the
if she
hell?
had to be. No, we,
That's
none
a
of us
lie.
are.
That's a lie.
That's a
That's
lie.
a lie.
Fine, that's a lie.
That's a lie.
That's a lie for the camera. None of us are really jealous though.
Okay, does diet and fitness play a role in the relationship? Who checks on whom? Who's a resolution breaker and who's a resolution keeper?
Diet and fitness recently has been enforced by her. She has started to be a more healthier and waking up early in the morning sort of person, where I have turned out to be the lazy one, even though I always claimed to be the fit one. But I am the resolution keeper. She is the resolution breaker.
That's a lie. I have to
That's
wake you
not a
up
lie.
and force you out of the bed every morning to go for your
Yeah,
run.
that I already accepted. That I am the
So?
lazy one. But you're the resolution breaker. I will still stick to my resolutions.
Whatever helps you sleep better at night.
So do you go on regular dates to explore new foods, restaurants in the city?
With us, because I anyway talk so much about food, and sometimes she's like, you only talk about food all the time. And while that food thing really bonds us, I think movies, we go out on a lot of movie dates together.
So what's a typical Sunday?
We have a lot of sort of game Sundays where we do brunch, where we do these gin and tonic, playing Scrabble or Catan or code names, categories.
We have a new game now where it gets very heated. It's called Categories, and all our friends are sitting here and everyone's only fighting. We've had one of our friends pick up a pillow and just throw it at them because they got so irritated. So yeah, our Sundays are like that.
That friend is her.
Excuse me.
Don't put it on friends.
Any favorite food memory?
Yeah, I think our London trip was very, very, very special. We gained 3 kgs together on that trip. So it's a special memory. I think we had this expedition of hot chocolate. We tried 7 different hot chocolates across London on Christmas time. And I think it's my favorite sort of hot chocolate trail I've ever done in my life.
Yeah.
What's the craziest thing you've done on a holiday?
Dharamshala. It was raining, it was my birthday, and we were told that we couldn't go paragliding, but then we still went. I don't know if that was stupid, maybe that was a little stupid, but we went, we waited for the sun to come out, and then the second it did, we went and we jumped off the cliff.
Yeah.
And we went paragliding.
I think that is the craziest thing that we've done together, because while she was doing all the fun, I vomited after the paragliding. So, yeah, I think that is the most fun thing that we've done. Didn't work out well for me though.
If one thing you have to do something romantic for, what would it be? Send flowers or send a dish?
No, I'd send her a dish because that's my strong suit. I cook well.
What would it be for you? You don't cook.
I don't cook. I'd write him a really nice handwritten note. He really appreciates that, and I'm very good with words, so that's something I would do.
What's the glue in the relationship?
I have an answer for that. I think we are friends first, and that really sort of is our glue, that we are friends and we can tell each other anything. If we are disagreeing about something, we are vocal about it. If we really like something, want to do something together, we say it out loud. If we don't want to do something together, we say it out loud. So we are first friends and then girlfriend, boyfriend sort of a situation.
Yeah, I think we're also very accepting of each other's flaws. So we're very open, accommodating that way. So yeah, I think that's another aspect of our relationship.
Any parting words? Love is?
I think for me, love is friendship.
Love is comfort. I think that's what it is for me. Love is comfort.
Nice. That sounds nice. Sounds like a marketing campaign. Love is comfort.